we need to discuss the previous year questions from 2016 to how many questions they have asked. We have studied the all the group theory. Group theory nothing but groups and finite groups, infinite groups, and subgroups and normal subgroups. Cyclic groups we have studied. Permutation group you have studied. Okay, we have studied that almost all the syllabus from the group theory. Homomorphism we have studied. Kernel of homomorphism we have studied, and basic isomorphism theorems also we have studied. Most of the things you know that. Okay, now what are the kind of questions they are asking? We need to see that. Okay, na? Right. Before going to that, see, I am reading. In case if any part is left in the class, you can tell me. Okay, syllabus I am reading. Modern algebra syllabus. Right. Groups is our subgroups, cyclic groups, cosets, Lagrange's theorem, normal subgroups, quotient groups, homomorphism of groups, basic isomorphism theorems, permutation groups, Cayley's theorem. That's it. This entire we have studied. This is only the group theory syllabus. Okay, we know no need to worry about what is the subgroup, what is the normal subgroup, what is the quotient group. At least you have the basic idea. Okay, right now. Now we need to using this concept. What are the kind of they are asking the questions we need to see. Okay, now if we are managing the 80% of the questions, no doubt we are in the strong one. Otherwise you need to do the same on. You need to revision do the one more time revision for the same material. Now you can think. Okay, see, first I am opening the one problem. See what they are giving. That see, let P is the prime number. Note down my one question. Let P is the prime number. Let P is the prime number and ZP denotes. Let P is the prime number. ZP denotes additive group of integers modulo P. Additive group of integers modulo P plus P. Show that every non-zero element ZP. Show that every non-zero element of ZP. Every non-zero element of ZP generates the ZP. Generates the ZP. ये क्वेश्चन में IAS 2016 में 2016 they have asked for the 15 marks. Okay na? Simply let P is the prime number and ZB denotes the what my additive group of integers under my addition modulo P. Nothing but your group is what ma simply ZP and plus P. This is the group or not? Yes, it is a group only. It is a group only. P is the prime number. It is a group. Even P is not a prime number also it is a group. P is not a prime number. We know that addition modulo, we have seen that G comma plus M is a group and G comma cross P is a group. Are you understanding ma? These are the two abelian group. This is the group of order M and this is the group of order P minus 1. Therefore, order of group here what ma? P minus 1. Here what ma? Order of the group is the M, group of order M. This is the both are. But I am taken as a just like a, but maybe it is not a non-zero element. For in this case, I know that every non-zero element will not generate the ZP. Whenever the P is the prime, ZP plus P is a group. Every non-zero element. Non-zero element means except identity. Zero element is the zero only. Non-zero element generates the ZP. We need to present nothing but what ma? This is a cyclic group. Not only cyclic group, but also how many generators are there? No, P minus 2 generators. Because of total number of elements, how many? P minus 1. In that identity element will not be the generator. Total P minus 2 generators. ये prove करना पड़ेगा. ये नहीं ये डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. These are the plus P दे दिया. M can be the prime में हो सकता है. P minus 2 generators हो गए ना. Suppose मान लीजिए माँ plus 3 ले लो, plus 5 ले लो. Plus 5 में कितना होगा माँ? Elements can you tell me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you tell me order of 1 is equals to what? 1 plus P. This is the operation is plus 5. G comma plus 5. Are you understanding? 5 बिल्कुल. Order of 2 is equals to what? 5. Minimum least number वही है 0 हो गया ना. Order of 3 is equals to what? 5. Order of 4 is equals to what? 5. Order of group is what? 5. Order of 0 is equals to what? 1. Anyway, identity element will never be the generator. P minus 1. Every non-zero. Nothing but नहीं. Plus P. Cross P में P minus 2. ये बात कर रहा हूँ मैंने. Cross P में P minus 1 elements. इधर कितना एलिमेंट्स P minus 1. आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट छोड़ के हाउ मेनी जनरेटर्स? P minus 2 जनरेटर्स. इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में एग्जैक्टली P minus 1 जनरेटर्स. ओके ना, राइट. If it is not a prime, we cannot say the P minus 1. Suppose for example G comma plus 6 ले लीजिए, plus 6. ओके, इसमें एलिमेंट्स कितना होगा माँ? 0 1 2 3 4 5. ऑर्डर ऑफ 0 1, ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 6, order of 2 3. Therefore this can't be the generator. 2 का inverse कौन सा? 4. Therefore order of 4 is also 3. This can't be the generator. Order of 3 कौन सा? 2. Yes, this is also can't be the generator. And 1 का inverse कौन सा? 5. Order of 5 is equals to also 6. Therefore these are the only 2 generators. Whenever that you know this is the composite number, okay na, every P minus 1 is need not be the generator. Are you understand my? Every non-zero element will not never be the generator. But whenever the P is the prime, it is must be the generator. Why? Because a prime number which have no divisors other than 1 and itself. Okay na, no divisors other than 1 and itself in between. Therefore every element order is has to be the prime. मैंने ये पॉइंट भी आपको ओरल पॉइंट दे दिया. ओके ना, ये एक्सप्लेन किया ना. यू नीड टू एलाबरेट दिस पॉइंट टू जस्ट लाइक गिव द सॉल्यूशन. ओके ना, राइट. कैसा सॉल्यूशन लिख देंगे? स्टार्टअप. एक बार थिंक यू कैन प्रोड्यूस इट. डोंट वरी. इन केस मिस्टेक होता है तो मैं आपको हेल्प कर दूंगा. यू नो दैट दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर, बट यू कैन स्टार्ट. यू नीड टू स्टार्ट. You can take let Z comma plus P is a group. ऐसा एलाबरेट कर लेना. Show that your answer. I am giving that 5 minutes time. 5 minutes only. You can frame the answer. You can feel free to open your materials. You can open it. It is not a problem. You need to revise. If you don't have any concepts, you can open that material. Don't worry. Already answer is within the material, but not direct. जी हो गया. But ZP plus P is a group, then P is the prime. Okay, good. You have given as an element. Let n is the non-zero element. Okay, of ZP. Mm. Prime, bilkul. Therefore, you are adding the x is the non-zero element. Then x plus x into the 0 is the identity. Nothing but P times. Therefore, n is the generator. Therefore, this is what which is also order of the group. Therefore, वही है generator होगा. If x is equal to 0 होता है तो x for 1 order of x is equal to 1. Therefore, ये okay, okay. जीरो नॉन जीरो होता है तो कैसे बनाना पड़ता है. जी मैं आपको नहीं लिखा क्या, कोशिश करना पड़ेगा. हमने जितना होता है तो बनाना पड़ेगा. नहीं नहीं इसको पहले 90 83 ये वाला नहीं नहीं ज़रूरत नहीं. हाँ मत सिलेबस चेंज हो रहा वो तो रहता है. पहले गैलियस थ्योरी था, साइलो ग्रुप्स था, अभी नहीं था. हाँ जी अब प्रेजेंट किया कहाँ प्रॉब्लम हो गया. ZP लेट द E2 ग्रुप ऑफ इंटीजर सीड्स इन मॉड्यूल.
फाइनाइट होता तो ऑर्डर वाले से हो जाता लैग्रांज जैसे.
इनफिनिट भी लिख सकता हूँ ना. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल ZP में देखा कौन सा टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स था आपको, कौन सा टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स था. सपोज ZP प्लस P में कौन सा टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स था. ZP प्लस P में आपको 0 1 2 3 अप टू सो ऑन P minus 1. These are the elements only. Okay na? Right. Now we know that identity. Here 0 is the identity element. Identity element. And this is only 0 element. We can identity element. This is only sometimes we can call it as a 0 element. And order of 0 is equals to 1. And order of the ZP कौन सा माँ. ZP is equals to P minus 1 plus 1. Order of Z is equals to P only. Okay na, P. Order of 1. Therefore, exactly. क्योंकि एलिमेंट ऑर्डर को हमको सारा को व्हाट मा इक्वल टू द ग्रुप, देन जनरेटर प्रूव कर सकता हूँ. बिल्कुल बस लेट x बिलोंग्स टू जी, वही एक चीज करना पड़ेगा. लेट x बिलोंग्स टू जी, भाई लेट x बिलोंग्स टू जी ग्रुप ले लिया. नाउ x बिलोंग्स टू जी इन द सेंस व्हाट में ZP आई कैन से x बिलोंग्स टू जी. देन बाय Lagrange's theorem order of x is equals to what ma, divisor of the order of the ZP. by Lagrange's theorem order of x must be order of an element. You can write by Lagrange's theorem order of an element must be divisor of the group. And here is what ma, P is the prime only here, divisor of the group. Therefore order of x is divisor, therefore divisor of the P, P bracket में prime. Therefore that implies where P is the prime, okay na? Therefore order of x is equals to what ma, divisor. Therefore you have the two choices. Therefore that implies order of x is equals to 1 or order of x is equals to P. Order of x is equals to 1. Whenever the order of x is 1, we also know that every identity element of order is the 1 only. Okay na? If order of x is equals to 1, then it is equals to what ma, x is the 0. Why? Because of identity element, implies by implies 0, identity element. And this identity element is what ma, 0 element. Therefore if x is equals to 0, then order of x is equals to 1. Therefore this not equal to order of the group. Order of the group कौन सा? Order of the ZP is equals to P. Why? Because a prime nothing but what? You know that what is the definition of a prime? P not equal to 0, not equal to 1. Prime definition not equal to 1. It has only the two divisors. What are the two divisors? Plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus P. That's it. That is a prime integer ka concept. Therefore, this is not equal to the prime 1. Now next second. Now order of x is equals to P. That is equals to what? Order of the ZP. Therefore, x is the count sum generator of the ZP. X is the generator of the ZP. Therefore, x is a, now I can write it as what? ZP generates the A, x nothing but x. Right now, this is the non-zero element only. Why? Because our order is the P. Therefore, it is not a zero element. Therefore, x not equal to 0 generator, and also x not equal to 0. Therefore, every non-zero element is the generator of the ZP. Right, that's A part. Beautifully you need to give the definitions for what is the ZP plus P and what kind of these elements, what is the prime number definition, each and everything you can explain it. ओके ना?
सर अगर किसी एलिमेंट का अगर ऑर्डर ग्रुप के इक्वल है
तो वो जनरेटर होगा, वो ये साइक्लिक ग्रुप डेफिनेशंस तो वही है. You can write it as, if you want you can elaborate the answer. We also know that whenever the order of the group is equals to the order of an element, such kind of element is the generator of that group. You can elaborate it. It is not one element, her element is the generator only. Okay na? Whenever the x not equal to 0, order of x is equals to 1, in the sense order of x implies what? My x is equals to 0 only. Okay na? Implies that is only here, right? Order of x is equal to 1 implies x is equal to 0. Nothing but this is only we are calling as a 0 element. दूसरा केस में what ma? Order of x, maybe it can be any element. Any element in the sense x का range कौन सा मा अभी? X का range कौन सा? जितना elements मा 1 to p minus 1. Therefore, where x is range is what ma? 0 less than or equal to a, 0 less than x less than or equal to p minus 1. जो भी any element. You can write it as if you want, because of we know that in the cyclic group concept, order of an element is equals to the order of the group. Such kind of group we are calling as what? Cyclic group. Such kind of an element we are calling as a generator. You can add it that information. Okay. You can elaborate it. Depends upon the time and marks. समझ गए ना? Right. Yes, one more question. Okay, right. Okay. So far 2016 में see all the group theory, how many questions they have asked? Only one question asked, 15 marks. This question only. All these questions later they are asking from the ring theory. 2016 May. Only one question. This question they have asked. Ring and groups only modern algebra, right? Group theory plus ring theory is the modern algebra. No, not modern algebra. In that group theory, they have asked the one question. Not modern algebra. How they can ask? No. Generally, we can expect that 57 to 53 to 70. 70 maximum. 60 you can make it as average. Okay, they have asked the 1 10 marks question, 15 and 20 and 50. 10 marks question also from the ring theory. Field only 15 is here and 20 marks from the ring theory, and that is 15 also one more also ring theory. Total kitna 20 plus 15 50 60 marks they have asked.
सर अगर वो एक वो दिया हुआ है, एक ग्रुप दिया हुआ था, सर ये थोड़ी ना दिया होता है कि ये फाइनाइट है.
Order of the group is the finite. How many elements? No, that is Amesha. How many elements are there? That is a finite, right? Language क्या देते? P is the prime. ZP denotes the additive group of integers. Modulo P. Always this is the finite only. Okay ना? Addition modulo M. G comma plus M is the finite abelian group. हमेशा finite होगा ना? M तो fix कर दो. M तो 1 crore कर दो. 1 crore element finite only. Okay, G comma cross P. These are the two abelian groups. Two abelian groups. हमेशा finite only. क्यों? Addition modulo M. M का definition is what? A plus B, A plus M. B is equals to what? Least non-negative integer. Okay. Therefore, जो भी output आ रहा है R का range is what? 0 less than or equal to R less than or equal to M minus 1. That's it. Therefore, no doubt. जो भी आप एलिमेंट्स ले रहे हो, जो भी आपको नए एलिमेंट्स आ रहे हैं वो कॉपी. समझ गए ना मां? इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट सर जी प्लस 4 में ले लो, कोई नहीं 0 1 2 3 ले लो. उसके बाद जो भी आप एडिशन कर रहे हो सर जी क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी 2 + 3 + 4 5, ये गलत है. क्यों? यू हैवंट डन एनी ऑपरेशन. Are you understand? You haven't done any operation. Addition module में क्या ऑपरेट करना था? What? Least non-negative remainder when divided by what mark? 4. What is that least non-negative remainder? 1. Therefore 1. Therefore कोई there is no new element. Clear now? Right. That is the reason. See, here also I have done. That is only you understand. Order of the group is the P. P prime means finite only. Infinity is not a prime number. Okay ना? Prime means finite. That's it. Okay ना? पहले से नहीं है, मतलब वो ये सोच के आप लिखना पड़ता है. ये क्वेश्चन है ना, कहाँ से भी डायरेक्ट भी ना मिलता है, बट ऑलरेडी आपको मटेरियल में था. ये बोल रहा हूँ इनडायरेक्ट. दिस इज द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वे आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस. सेम चीज है, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वे ऑफ आस्किंग. Nothing but exactly you can understand, the UPSC people can understand what is the caliber of the student. Student कैसा पढ़ के आ रहा है. ओके ना? बस ये क्वेश्चन पहला भी किया नहीं, कहाँ टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं होगा. I can give the guarantee up to that date. Maybe after that date these authors they can add it. Okay, up to that date कोई, but already material में था indirect way. That is only the modern algebra. एनालिसिस कैसे लिखना थोड़ी ना मैंने पहले लिखा, बस आप हेल्प किया मैंने लिखा. ओके, जनरली ओके. जो थॉट्स आप प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा, जो थॉट्स हमारा है प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा, किसी के हिसाब से वायलेट ना होना चाहिए. ओके ना? बस और कुछ नहीं. ये मत देखना मॉडर्न अलजेब्रा में सर जी इतना स्टेप्स को 15 मार्क्स है. उनको मतलब किसको मार्क्स दे रहे? स्टेप्स को नहीं दे रहे, इधर लॉजिक को दे रहे मार्क्स. समझ गए ना? स्टेप्स को नहीं है. ओडी में सर जी कोन एंड सिलेंडर और एनालिटिकल ज्योमेट्री में यहाँ से इतना लाख तक लिखना पड़ता है 20 मार्क के लिए और 10 मार्क. इधर ये नहीं था, लॉजिक. इफ यू आर गेटिंग दैट आइडिया यू कैन प्रेजेंट. इफ यू आर अदरवाइज नो प्रेजेंटेशन एट ऑल. समझ गए ना माँ? राइट, ओपन माइंड ओनली. दिस इज Right, next one more question. Right, this is the one question we have solved in the group theory. Now 2015 में. Now come to the next year. 2015. Therefore, people used to think 2015 तक see what is the difference between the up to 1992 2015 तक what is the strategy and 2016 में क्या changes आपको बता रहा हूँ. 2015 तक more or less of the 40-60% or 60-40% they used to maintain 60% 40% or 60% here 40% here or sometimes 50-50% also they used to maintain. Half of the group theory, half of the ring theory. 40-60 ये combination. 2016 में क्या किया? Only one question डाला. Nothing but 15 questions here out of 45 question marks here. Total 60 marks को दे दिया. See देखो वो changes clearly दिख रहा है. 10 plus 5 25, 20 plus 20 45 and here 15. अभी कितना percentages है? You know that 25% 75%. 25 and 75. मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर में वो खींच के इधर भी ले सकता है. सारा ग्रुप थ्योरी क्वेश्चन होगा 2017 में. मे बी इसी में कुछ सरप्राइज देता रहता है यूपीएससी. एवरी ईयर इज देयर इज विल बी द सरप्राइज. डोंट वरी. मे बी दे कैन गिव द मोर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. दे कैन गिव दैट मोर. दे कैन गिव द वन सरप्राइज. पीपल कैन नॉट प्रेडिक्ट. ओके ना. मे बी वी कैन गैस. इट कैन बी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी बट वी आर नॉट श्योर. Okay, that is their work on. Okay, come to the 2015. Abhi 2015 is the luckiest year for the modern algebra. Luckiest year. Those questions directly from the Krishna series book. As it is, without changing the full stops and all, as it is, only one question they have asked in the indirect. Everything from the they have given. Okay, na? Right. What are the questions 2015? हम देख लेना पड़ेगा. Right. How many generators are there in the cyclic group G? Note कर लीजिए मैं question. How many generators are there of the cyclic group G of order 8? How many generators are there in the cyclic group? In the cyclic group of the cyclic group of order 8. Order 8. Not only how many, they are asking the explain. वही बिकॉज ऑफ फालतू चीज में हाउ मनी के लिए 8 मार्क्स यूपीएससी वाला नहीं दे देगा. समझ गए ना. एग्जैक्टली आंसर तो दैट इज अ 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन और 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन है ना. इसीलिए एक्सप्लेन बोला, ऐड किया टेल. 8 मार्क्स से वर्थफुल. ओके ना. कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर देना आपको बताता हूँ. ये क्वेश्चन में भी आपको क्वेश्चन से हाउ मेनी जनरेटर्स आर देयर, बट एक्सप्लेन वाला ना पूछा. एक्सप्लेन वाला हम एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बैकग्राउंड कैसा, वो तो सिंपल ना. वो कैसे एक्सप्लेन, पहले हाउ मेनी जनरेटर्स ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ ग्रुप 8. देयरफॉर गिवन दैट order of the cyclic group Z is 8. That is order of G is equals to 8. Now we know that what whenever an element is the generator, okay, an element is the generator, that must be what relatively divisor होना चाहिए. डिवाइजर होता है तो जनरेटर ना होगा. रिलेटिवली प्राइम्स होना चाहिए. relatively primes, then automatically what this group में 8 में relatively primes होना चाहिए. Okay, those elements automatically will become as a generator. That point you need to write it as. I am explaining. Okay na? Are you understanding ma? Right now I am not giving the answer for how many. Later we can come to that. Right now I am explaining. Whenever the A is an element generator, एक statement मैंने आपको notes में बोला ना, कौन सा statement में directly?
Order of P, N equals
1. ओके, ये स्टेटमेंट मैंने किया ना, वो स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज लिख देना विदाउट चेंजिंग. मोर और लेस एग्जैक्टली, नॉट वर्ड बाय वर्ड. मीनिंग यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट. मीनिंग इट सेल्फ ओनली. नोट कर लीजिए माँ वही स्टेटमेंट कौन सा. पॉइंट आपको साइक्लिक ग्रुप में समझा दिया, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ साइक्लिक ग्रुप में. नो नोट कर लीजिए माँ. वी नो दैट, नोट कर लीजिए माँ पॉइंट. वी नो दैट if a cyclic group G generated by an element A of order n we know that cyclic group G generated by an element A of order n, nothing but what ma, that is order of G is equals to order of A is equals to n है ना, that is order of G is equals to order of A n, nothing but cyclic group G generated by an element of order n. Then A power m is the generator of G. Then A power m is a generator of G, if and only if, implies by implies, if and only if m and n are relatively primes. If and only if m and n are relatively primes, that is GCD of mn is equals to 1. The greatest common, that is a symbol ma. Greatest common divisor we are using just like a point on pair type of, that is a HCF of mn or both are same only, GCD or HCF. GCD greatest common divisor or HCF highest common factor, both are the same only. HCF is equals to 1, that is a relatively primes. Some people can call it as a co-primes also. Okay, relatively primes or co-primes, both are same only. Twin primes अलग है. Twin primes का उससे होता है. The difference between the two prime numbers is the two. Such kind of primes are the twin primes. Difference only. जैसा 3 5 twin primes, 5 7 twin primes, 11 13 twin primes, 17 19 twin primes. Okay ना, ऐसा 29 31 twin primes. Difference between the two prime numbers. Both are primes होना चाहिए. Difference 2 होना चाहिए. That is it. Relatively primes means what? Not necessarily both should be the prime. ये जरूरत नहीं. Why? Because of HCF 1 2 comma 3 1, and maybe you can take it as 3 comma. Suppose for example you can make it as a 4. Relatively primes highest common factor is 1 only, but 3 is a 5 4, and maybe 4 comma 9. Both are not a primes but twin primes. Sorry, my counts are relatively primes or co-primes. Okay na? Right. Clear na ji? That GCD or HCF is the same only, or greatest common factor, greatest common divisor or highest common factor, and co-primes, relative primes, both are the same synonyms only. Twin primes alag tha. Anyway, twin primes it is not required for us in the context. I have reminding for the twin primes only. Leave it. This is the I am explained. That is my explanation part. What is that? Whenever the A is the generator of G, then order of the group should be equal to the order of A. That is order of the group it is equal to order of its generator n. Whenever the A power m is the generator, m and n are relatively primes. Whenever the m and n are the relatively primes, A power m is the generator. That is the if and only if. मैंने highlight कर रहा है. It is not a implies. If and only उस A भी होगा, A तो A भी होगा. Therefore, right now this is the cyclic group. There has to be the one generator होना चाहिए. Let A be the generator of this group I am taking. Okay ना? This is the background only, explanation part अलग था. Right now come to that. Okay na? This is the cyclic group order it. Order of G is equals to 8. Okay na? And let it be the generator. Let A be the generator. One of the generator or be the generator, whatever. Generator of the above cyclic group. Of above cyclic group. Above cyclic group Z. Above cyclic group Z. One of the generator of the above cyclic group Z. Then order of G is equals to what ma? You know that order of A, that is equals to simply what? 8 only. 8 only. Okay. Right. Now how many numbers? Relatively primes to 8. Now we need to find, that is the Euler function phi of 8 भी बोल सकता हूँ. Number of I can say that, you know, phi of n in the sense what ma, how many numbers are relatively prime to n, that is a Euler function or Euler function हम कह सकता हूँ. Therefore 8 में how many relatively prime combinations are there? Okay na? Right now what ma, a power 8 is equals to identity. Are you understanding that not ma? Right now what are the relatively primes to 8? Can you tell me? 1, 8. Okay, 1, 8 and 2, 8 नहीं होगा. Exactly, ये छोड़ दो. 3, 8 exactly, and 4, 8 नहीं आएगा. 5, 8 exactly, 6, 8 नहीं आएगा. 7, 8, right, 7, 8. These are the only the relatively primes. Therefore your elements are what ma, a power m. M is the relative prime होता है, a power m is the generator. Therefore what ma, a power 1 is generator and a cube is the generator, a power 5 is the generator, a power 7 is the generator. These are the generators of the cyclic group, given cyclic group. Therefore how many total? 4 generators of this cyclic group of order 8. That's it. Happy? That's it. ये चीज़ प्रैक्टिस करने में सीजे को आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन में विद इन लेस टाइम आप. देयरफॉर इफ यू आर राइटिंग दिस थॉट्स, कीप ऑन डूइंग द रिवीजन. यू नीड टू प्रेजेंट द वेरी फास्ट. ओके ना. देयरफॉर मॉडर्न अलजेब्रा में द ब्यूटी पार्ट, द बेस्ट पार्ट, देयर इज नो सब्जेक्ट, देयर इज नो मॉड्यूल which containing, this is the special quality of modern algebra, it won't give the calculation mistake. Calculation mistake इसमें कुछ नहीं. only the thing is what, logic. बस और कुछ नहीं. कैलकुलेशन वाला मिस्टेक नहीं. क्या है, फार्मूला याद करना पड़ेगा, ये बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं. सिंपल स्कूल लेवल सब्जेक्ट. you need to know the when you have studied first time, when you have studied the relative primes or co-primes at the time of 6th class. 6th class, your mental maturity is the 6th class, then automatically your mathematics teacher that time they have introduced the twin primes, relatively primes, AO, what is the prime numbers, maybe they have started the games and all along, you have played with your friends, Eratosthenes sieve method, how to find that, you know, school days. ओके ना. बस वो ये चीज़ मैंने यूज़ किया.
Order of G equals to order of A equals to
8.
Now the elements which have
एक जनरेटर मिला, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन ना. उसके बाद हो गई ना, a power m is the generator if and only if m and are the relatively primes. Therefore what, here if you want, here you can explain it. 1 and 8 are, if you want you can explain it, not a problem. 1 and 8 are relatively primes. Therefore a power 1 is the generator, that is equals to a is the generator. Okay, and 3 and 8 are relatively primes. Therefore a cube is equals to a cube only is the generator, is also generator. You can explain it, that is way of your writing. Okay, and 5 and 8 are relatively primes. Bas.
उसके बाद A की power m will be the generator if and only if m and n are relatively primes. So the numbers which are prime to 8 are वो A की power.
Exactly. बस ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू यही है ना, m and r relatively primes होते तो a power m is the generator. Therefore 1 or 8 are relatively primes. a power 1 is the generator. a power 1 means ये तो trivial case. Why? Because already we have taken a is the generator. हमेशा होगा. समझ गए ना? Right. And 3 8 5 8 again 7 8. You can write it as. Therefore how many generators are there? 4 generators are there. You can write it as. Therefore given question एक बार लिख लें. Therefore given question how many हटा के, the number of generators of the cyclic group of order 8 are 4. थोड़ा सा beautiful लिखना पड़ेगा. Same question, how many हटा के, 4 generators are there in the cyclic group of order 8. थोड़ा सा underline कर दो, क्योंकि they are asking the how many and explain. I have explained it here. Okay, right. Next, one more question. समझ गए ना माँ? Yes, one more ma. One more. Second question ma. This is the group theory. They have asked like the 8 marks na. See, next. How many questions they have asked in the group theory? We can see that. Okay, now this is the 8 mark question. Right, next one more question ma. This is the 5 mark question ma. Actually 5 marks. This is not 8 marks. 5 marks. Next one more question ma. Taking a group, note कर लीजिए ma. Taking a group EABC, taking a group EABC of order 4, where E be the identity element, construct the two composition tables, showing that one is cyclic and other one is not, showing that one is cyclic and other one is not. 5 marks. This is also they have asked the 5 marks. Directly. They are asking not simply they are asking what mark? Construct the two composition tables. See, read the question very carefully. People are doing unnecessary things. Whenever if I am asking such kind of questions, na, they are proving the group. Sir, space नहीं है, आप कम space दे दिएगा, कम marks question 10 marks. You people are deciding how many marks you need to give. No, you people are not reading the question. People are simply they are proving the group. Am I asking to proving the group? Already taking a group of order 4, you can take it as जो भी whatever you want. इसमें 4 elements only. In that E be the identity element. Therefore nothing to prove. They are not asking to prove. And after that what they are asking? In that is also they are mentioning E be the identity element. आप ले लीजिए. थोड़ा सा confusion होता है तो don't worry. E be the identity element ले लीजिए. उसके बाद क्या पूछ रहा है माँ? Construct two composition tables. In not only construct, in that give me that one table for cyclic and other one is a non-cyclic. Okay ना? I told you. Fastly 2 table दे दो, heading नीचे डाल दो, कौन सा cyclic है कौन सा non-cyclic, बस hardly 1.5-2 minutes में हो जाएगा काम, not more than 2 minutes. क्यों 4 elements था, ओके ना, 4 elements 2 minutes में हो जाएगा काम, समझ गए ना? Now start it. Right, I can also write that given that solve कर दो, simply G is equals to what mark? EABC. Therefore only you have the 2 ways. Every element of it is one inverse and rest of the one element should be the other. Therefore I am breaking ma here. Every element of one inverse. That is the E inverse is equals to E, A inverse is equals to A, and B inverse is equals to B, C inverse is equals to C. And other category counts are E inverse is always E only. If A inverse is equals to A, then B inverse is equals to C होगा, C inverse is equals to B होगा. इधर एक टेबल बना दो, construct the main is ये EABC. 2 मिनट्स में काम हो जाएगा बस, फास्ट. ओके, इधर भी एक कंस्ट्रक्शन वन कॉम्पोजिशन टेबल EABC एंड EABC. ओके ना, राइट. ओके, राइट. दिस इज द 2 tables. Now first case में right now what every element is one inverse EABC. I be the identity element ABC and A into A E. These are all cases. Right. Now A into B कौन सा होगा? C. C होता है तो ये B होगा, B होता है तो ये वो होगा, ये होगा, ये होता है तो ये कौन सा? ये होगा, ये होता है तो ये क्या होगा माँ? सिंपली बी होगा, बी होता है तो सी होगा, बस जस्ट लाइक ए पजल हो गया मेरा। नाउ ये साइक्लिक है? नो, क्यों? ग्रुप आर्डर ऑफ ग्रुप इज इक्वल टू व्हाट माँ? 2 आर्डर, सॉरी माँ 4, आर्डर ऑफ ग्रुप इज द 4, आर्डर ऑफ ई इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड आर्डर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 2, आर्डर ऑफ बी, अदरवाइज डायरेक्टली लिख सकता हूँ, आर्डर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू आर्डर ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू आर्डर ऑफ सी, सारा 2, therefore none of the elements is equal to the group of order, therefore what more? This is a non-cyclic. Okay na? None of the element is equal to group order, therefore non-cyclic. That's it, हो गया. Now come to that here, E, A, B, C, why? Because E, B the identity, E, A, B, C, E, B the identity. Now A into A, E, now B into C, E, and C into B, E, these are. Now, no, next one more thing also. Right now, A into B, क्या chances ma? Only the A into C, it cannot be the C. समझ गए ना मा? Therefore it is a B. If it is a B, this is A, this is A, this is the B, this is the B, this is the C, this is the C, this is the A, this is the A, this is the C. That's it. समझ गए ना मा? Right. Then order of E is equals to what ma? 1 only. Order of A 2. Sorry ma. Order of A is equals to 2. Order of B क्या ma? 4. Order of C, that is also 4. Okay na? Right. Therefore order of the group is equals to what ma? 4, that is equals to order of B or order of C. Order of C. Therefore this is the, therefore at least one element order is equals to group order. Therefore G must be cyclic. Both are non-abelian or abelian groups? Abelian groups. Every group of order 4 is abelian. ये दोनों abelian क्योंकि you can check it. Along the principal diagonal, elements are symmetry. Along the principal diagonal. बस हो गया. Okay na? Right, ma. Next.
So this group is also abelian.
Both are abelian groups. Why? Because of not only every group of order 4 is abelian. Every group of order 1 abelian, every group of order 2 abelian, every group of order 3 abelian, every group of order 4 is abelian, every group of order 5 is also abelian. Up to 5 tak. From the 6, abelian, non-abelian. Now can you tell me, give me that non-abelian group of order 6? Give me that counter example. S3 or P3 or transformation wala de sab. Give me the abelian group of order 6. Give me the abelian group of order 6.